Well, welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina. Nonna Pina, how are you?
Okay.
Good. Nonna Pina, we've been home because of this coronavirus, right? So right now we're basically just past the middle of March, and we haven't done an episode in a little bit. We've been busy, but here we're back, and we're back in full effect. Not being able to really travel or go out too much, or even go to our office at work. Schools have been closed, and we're trying to get through this time of coronavirus. But we can have some fun while home. And what we're doing, ladies and gentlemen, today is we're making bird's nest cookies. In Italian, it's called un nido. So in English, it's a bird's nest cookie. It's kind of like a little cupcake type of thing. And what it is we got two parts to this story. In terms of the pastry dough that we're going to use, what we've got here are three simple ingredients: cream cheese, butter, and flour. So it's 1 cup of flour, half a cup of butter, and 3 ounces of cream cheese, or roughly half a cup of cream cheese. Okay? And that will be mixed, and Nonna Pina will show you. Then what are we going to fill it with? That pie crust. We're going to fill it with this beautiful concoction here, which will be 2 eggs, okay, a tablespoon of butter. These are walnuts here, and what we have here is a cup and a quarter of walnuts, and also a cup and a quarter of brown sugar. And we're going to use a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to mix that, and then we're going to combine it all and bake it in the oven at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Aren't we, Nonna Pina? So, Nonna Pina, are you ready? We're going to make these beautiful bird's nest cookies. Okay, so she's going to combine the butter, which is at room temperature. Cream cheese is also at room temperature. Okay, now you're going to add the butter, which is, the cream cheese, just plain cream cheese at room temperature. Hi, Nonna Pina.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Okay. All right. Okay, Nonna Pina, you're going to form it into a dough now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you're going to use your hands now? And then you're going to wrap it in plastic, Nonna Pina?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. So Nonna Pina, now you're going to wrap it in plastic and you're going to put it in the fridge for half an hour, right? Nonna Pina, hello?
Yeah.
Hi. Menzura na frigge, ma?
Yeah.
Half hour. Okay, let's see you do that. Wrap it up nice and tight. Okay. All right. Perfect. Smile. Okay, Nonna Pina, so we have put that dough in the fridge over there. And it's been there for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we greased our pan here. And we've got our little mallet, what you're going to see what we're going to do with that. It's just sitting in some flour. And you'll see what we're going to do with that later on. But let's get to the filling now. So the filling, Nonna Pina, let's get to it. We're going to take those walnuts, okay? Okay, that's 1.5 cups of walnuts. And the 1.25 cup of brown sugar. All right. And then Nonna Pina is going to add a tablespoon of room temperature butter. Nice. And she's going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. Beauty. And then a couple of eggs. And we're going to mix this till it becomes all mixed and looking like a nice little filling. Working on that. We've got the dough in the fridge, and we'll be back as soon as that's done. Right, Nana Pina?
Yeah.
All right, smile there. Woohoo! Okay, so the dough now has been chilling in the fridge, Nana Pina.
Yeah.
You're gonna cut them into little balls, I guess, here, and then we're gonna start filling each cavity. So you're gonna need 12 to start. By the way, this will make 24 of these little cookies. So that's what the recipe is.
Let me see.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because what we're trying to do is, have the... Okay. So let's see what you're going to do here, Nana Pina. You want to show us what you're going to do just with one? So you're just dipping that in flour so it doesn't stick. You're centering this, and with this little mallet, you're going to press all the way down. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've just filled these up, and we used this little tool here, and we went in and we kind of did like this. Okay, you can use your fingers if you don't have that, but that's 12 of them right there, and we have another 9 or 10 here. So this is supposed to make 2 dozen. So in some, maybe we put a little bit too much dough, but we're not going to be too picky about it. So okay, Nana Pina, what's next? Okay, so you're just filling each one. That oven's ready. Okay, so you're gonna fill them all up, right, Nana Pina?
Yeah.
Nice and neat. Beauty. Okay, we'll be back. All right, Nana Pina, we filled those 12 up. Look at that, eh? Just boom, boom, boom. That's gonna be so nice and caramelized with that walnut flavor and the butter and the sugar. Okay, let's put them in the oven. 350, ladies and gentlemen, for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, you gotta move your cane, Nana Pina. Nice. Okay. So middle rack, right? Middle rack or bottom rack? Okay, so put them in the bottom rack. All right, we'll see you when you come out. Excellent. Bye, Nana Pina.
Bye.
Woohoo. Okay, thank you, oven, for being so nice to us today. Nana Pina, we actually had them in the oven a little bit longer. It was about 25 minutes. At the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, every oven's different. We put it at 350. I thought it was going to take 15. But Nana Pina, can you show us what it's supposed to look like when it's done? Okay, so it should come out nice and easy. Let's see the bottom. So this is what you want, ladies and gentlemen. You want it to look... Okay, don't move, Nana Pina. Non te muovere, ma. The focus isn't going too good here. Okay, so you just want it to look... Here, let me just grab this and take control of the situation. So here you go. You just want it to kind of look... You want to smile, Nana Pina, over there? Smile? Hee hee. Okay, so you want it to look kind of like that. Golden brown, right? That's the crust. And then you see here that the topping is all caramelized. And it's just beautiful. Caramelization. And there we go. That's a good focus. So you see that caramelization of the walnut and the brown sugar and the butter. We're going to let these cool. And then when they cool down, we're going to finish them off with some icing sugar. So Nana Pina, you want to put some on the plate?
Sugar.
Yeah, after. Right now we're going to put them on the plate.
Now say to what?
Okay, Nana Pina, we let them cool down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have icing sugar now. And you have this little thing. And you're going to just do the final touch.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh my God. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the perfect, let me grab one here, is the perfect little snack. Bite-sized little walnut bundles of joy. And Nana Pina,
Yeah.
this is your show, the Nana Pina Sicilian Cucina show. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Don Pino, did you have
Thank
fun?
you.
We had
Thank you.
fun, right?
Bye.